Let's learn words with their meanings and synonyms. Let's start. The first word is almost, nearly, and about. तकरीबन. Next word is about. Its synonym is regarding, के बारे में. Applicable, relevant, appropriate, मौजू. Arise, आकर, उठना, उभरना. Attractive, appealing, percussive. Come to the next page. All words are starting here with letter A. Next word is absolute, entire, perfect, katai. Admit, make known, reveal, taslim, annoy, irritate, and other synonym is bother, naraz. Able, a synonym is skillful and qualified, kabil. Accurate, precise, right, durust. Next is abandon, resign, surrender, tark karna. Aback, unexpectedly, unaware, हैरान. Ability, skill and talent, salahiyat. Abject, creeping, servile, hakir. Ablution, its synonym is purification, dhulai and ghusl. Come to the next page. Let's see what are the more words. Abroad, overseas, out of country, barun mulk. Abolish, eliminate, cancel, khatma karna. Abomination, evil, disgrace, kable nafrat amal. Abortive, useless and vain, nakam. Abound, its synonym is overflow, botat, hona. I hope you have learned the words very well and understood very well. Goodbye.